Hey folks, today is July the 1st. We're going to look at doing our first fxsimplifier weekly update review. I was able to start my sim account with $10,000. I figured that was a bit more realistic than 50,000 because if things go well, I can actually put 10,000 in there and let it run. So that's where we're at right now as far as my account goes. All right, this week was a bit off. The past 2 weeks have been a bit off because of the Brexit situation that we've had. Actually, fxsimplifier, or I should say Wealth Generators, sent out an email to us. Let me see what it said here. Following the United Kingdom's historic referendum vote to exit the European Union, meaning that Brexit is in fact now a reality, there will be no new WG trades issued today, Friday, June 24th, due to continued volatility, potentially unfavorable spreads, and fast market conditions. All right, so that was the 24th, which is last Friday. So I actually had everything set up to trade properly. I believe Thursday or Friday, one of the two. They just simply didn't take any trades because of everything that was going on with the Brexit issue. And that continued over Monday and Tuesday as well. And I'm pretty sure we started taking trades on Wednesday. I'll go in and take a look at that in a second here. So this wasn't a full week by any means. And it was also a really odd week because of the Brexit situation. This is not, typical market conditions, obviously, folks. So for right now, let's go ahead and take a look at the account history. And it's just showing today's trade. And I'm actually using, I believe it's a 4% risk per trade. So as you guys can see, they entered 0.20 lot size. And we were able to make $10.73 on that. But let's check this out real quick. All history. All right, so as you guys can see, like I said, really hectic week. Lots of little small losses, one large loss to start off with, one nice winner, little small winner here. So hopefully things are going to get back to normal. The further away from, the whole Brexit situation we get. So that's obviously the hope here. Like I said, that things get back to normal sooner rather than later. Also, there was an issue with the percent allocation in the back office. Basically, what it was doing is when you go into your back office, your fxsimplifier back office, I should say, it gives you three options. And actually, let me pull that up so I can tell you guys what they are. Okay, one option is fixed lot. That means you can choose, 0.20 or, 1 full lot or whatever you want it to be. The next option is account percent, which is what I'm personally using, and I have mine set to 4%. The next is money ratio. So you have those three options. Basically, account percent wasn't working properly. So they actually, I believe they took it offline on, it might have been Thursday, I'm thinking. It might have been Thursday that they took it offline to fix that issue. One good thing is that they were able to fix that issue extremely fast. I believe the next day, actually today, which is Friday, we were able to start trading again. And obviously that is the fact because we have a trade here. So it took them a day to fix that issue and also to make some changes in the back office. We did get an email stating that for compliance reasons, they don't want us to, show our settings and things like that in the back office. So I'm going to try and respect their request there. Let's see here. Let's take a look in the Skype chat room really quick here. All right, and again, if you do get signed up, just shoot me an email, and I'll get you set up in the Skype room here. But as you can see, it definitely is very active. People are working through some of the issues that we're having, helping each other to get by with it. All right, here's somebody that asked about the issue where the simplifier was offline while they were fixing those issues. Just spoke with Corp. I asked why my simplifier isn't showing the 3 winning trades. They were doing updates. Yeah, they were doing those updates that I just mentioned here. So while they were doing those updates, we actually had 3 winning trades, which obviously would have boosted our winning percentage here. But like I said, this is a new product, a new software. It's just getting started. There are going to be bugs that need to be fixed. And that's something that everybody needs to understand and realize. We're at the kind of the forefront, at the beginning of something that has the potential to be huge. Okay, so we have to just be patient. Let them, work through all the bugs. Let them fix everything that's going on. I've shown you guys a lot of the stats in the past from other people that were previously using the FX simplifier before the Brexit fiasco, or I shouldn't say that, for the Brexit situation. So yeah, we know that the traders in the trade rooms know what they're doing. We just have to let this kind of storm pass and let things get back to normal here. And I'm going to be doing this test in Sim for hopefully a good 2 months. And once that 2 months is up, I'll go ahead and, depending on the results, go ahead and drop in 500 to 1,000 and see how things go from there. All right. Let's see here. What's this? All right, so this is a trade that's currently open in somebody's account. And I'm just going through trying to see if there were any issues that had been resolved or what people were talking about here. All right, you can see the results if you go into the Simplifier and My Trades under History. Look at the far right. Okay, that's showing where you can actually see the trades that they're taking. All right. Somebody asking what this person has their allocation set to. I've already told you what mine is set to, account percent, and my risk percent is 4%. This person has his set to, or her set to 5% on a 50K sim account. All right, so like I said, a lot of good information in the trade room. Definitely let me know, and I'll get you guys set up in there or in the Facebook site as well. All right, folks, that's going to be it. I will continue to do these weekly update reviews every Friday. So that means the next one is going to be on July the 8th right here. We're going to continue, like I said. Hopefully the markets will get back to normal. My hope is that next week things will get closer to what we can consider normal, especially than this week. And I don't mean that simply as for the markets. I mean that also for the FX Simplifier team. It looks like they've worked out several bugs this week. They had to take the Simplifier offline once here. They chose not to trade at the beginning of the week for the reasons that I spoke on earlier, namely that the market was just too volatile. Okay, so that's why they started trading on Wednesday. So next week, hopefully things will get back to normal and we can start seeing some positive results here. We missed a few good trades because they were fixing the issues that I spoke about on Thursday. So this week was kind of just a toss-up. You know what I mean? Things are just getting started. So let's continue to watch it and see how it goes. And I'll be back with you guys next week. I'm going to look at adding the MyFXBook account to this. So that way you guys can follow it on a daily basis instead of just waiting for my weekly updates. If that's something you guys want me to do, let me know and I'll look into it. I'm just not sure how to work with them hosting my MT4 account. But I can look into it. Just let me know if you want me to do that. Anyway, that's going to be it. We'll see how things go next week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send them my way. And if you want more information on the FX Simplifier, definitely click the link below. Take care, folks.